Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay restaurant prices when you can cook it better at home? Today we're going to make Copycat Olive Garden chicken and gnocchi soup. To make the gnocchi, we're going to take 1 cup of instant mashed potatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to add in 1 cup of boiling water. Mix that up. Now we're going to add in 1 egg yolk, and now we'll add in 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, Now once that's come together, we're going to knead it for 1 minute. And now after a minute of kneading, we're going to make the gnocchi. We'll flour our hands. A 1/2 teaspoon. And we're going to make little balls. Place it on the parchment paper. We're going to press it down. And we're going to keep making keep going until it's all done. To a large pot over medium heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of shredded carrot, 1/4 cup of diced onion, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to saute it for 3 minutes. And while that's sauteing, we're going to take 4 cups of chicken broth and add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to whisk that in. And now we're going to add in the chicken broth cornstarch mixture. And 4 cups of water. And we're going to bring that to a boil. And now that it's starting to boil, we're going to add our gnocchi in. We're going to reduce the heat. We're going to simmer it for 10 minutes. Now after the gnocchi's cooked, we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. We're also going to add in 1.5 cups of 1/2 and 1/2. We're going to let this simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the soup starts to thicken. And after the soup has thickened up a little, we're going to add in 1 rotisserie chicken's worth of chicken, that we shredded up. And 2 cups of freshly chopped spinach. Now we're going to cook that for another 10 minutes or until the soup has thickened and the spinach is nice and tender. And after 10 minutes, it's time to cut off the heat. And it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's pretty good. Now for the amount of time and effort it took to make the gnocchi, spend the extra couple dollars to get the pre-made stuff. You get more, it's less of a hassle. If it wasn't for my lovely wife helping make the gnocchi, well actually making it all, except for what I did off camera, this would never got done. It cost right about $22, $23 to make, and it does 8 servings. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.